Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have the Coticule combo Corundum from Ardennes-Coticule, and I hope everyone saw the video on the Yellowstone and using this one on the straight razor. Wasn't really necessary to use this one on the straight razor, but I did want to show everyone. Today we're going to use it on this knife. It's not a really expensive knife. It cuts. We're going to dull it a little bit so I can show everyone how to use this white stone. Now we're going to zoom in and get started on this. It's necessary to use the Corundum unless you need to reset the bevel. But I wanted to demonstrate how this works today before we go over to the blue Coticule. You don't really need a whole lot of water. I used a spray bottle before. Find a bevel that you want to set. Yeah, we'll go to this side. A little more water. This one is thirsty. It will use a good bit of water. This is stainless steel, but it's not real high grade. Let's see if this cuts. It does. We'll move up to the blue Coticule. And I believe that did it. Been doing a lot of experimenting with these in the last 4 weeks. You don't have to use the slurry, but I'm going to use it today. Just show everyone how you can change for grit on the stone with the slurry. See, it's getting thick. You can get it up to the paste. Need it a little more down here on the tip. See how pasty it is? And then we'll thin this down some more. We'll go through about 2 or 3 different phases. That way you can get a good idea of what it does. Well, I'm going to work this off. We'll clean the stone off and just use the stone, no slurry. Be careful not to cut your hands. And then we'll work this down a little more. So you can see it coming off. When possible, I like to put my finger down here. You have to be careful so you don't cut yourself, but it helps me hold the angles. Then we'll wipe this off. Let's see how sharp this thing is. That's short. With about 2 passes on the strop, we should be good. You can see it slices well. Takes a little getting used to these stones. One thing, don't use a whole bunch of pressure. It's going to work against you. I found that out, just like all the other stones I use. A light pressure will give you better results. Just let the stone do the work. Now we're going to have a few final words on these stones. I think everyone can see these 2 stones work well for this knife. Every knife's different, and you're going to have a little bit different technique on each one according to the metal and the geometry of the knife. I hope this little demonstration has shown everyone how well these 2 stones work. These are natural stones. The only place in the world is this place right here. Rob and his father Maurice, they know what they're doing. I've been really excited using these stones. Gonna make a couple of shorts with some chisels. And also we've got the slipstone and the round rod. So we're gonna do some serrations and some curved blades. Stay tuned. Watch for those videos. I really like these stones and I encourage everyone to check them out. Till then, the bearded sharp. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.